Hi, this video is about basic WordPress usage. It's really simple once you know where things are. And the vast majority of 95–99% of things you can do extremely simply. So there's posts and there's pages. If your website is set up like a blog where at some point place on your page there's a blog. Like for this one, my front page is a blog. If I were to create another post, it would show up at the top. I might have this stickied, which makes it stay at the top, and then it would show up immediately below that. And so that's what like a post would do for me. And the posts and pages are basically the same thing. They just the way that WordPress deals with them is a little different. Most likely, what you'll be doing is creating pages, and so what you want to do is it's like using Word. You can do here test page. And if I want to do hi, and let's say you probably want your and then let's say we want to make this big. I can do like H2. Now I've made it big. If I want to bold it, I can bold it. I see it's bolded right there. I press Control B. If I want to underline it, I can click there and it's underlined. Let's say I want to link to ESPN.com. Okay, now I do that and I click. I can do ESPN.com. Okay, just do. And if you want it to, if you're linking out off of your site, you probably want an open link in a new tab. Alright, so it's really that simple. Let's say I want to add a picture. I can add something. I can either upload files, but I've already got something. Let's add this guy. Alright, so I could just upload a file from my computer and it would immediately put it in there. And you've got some options here, like the size. That's really the most important thing, that you want to make sure that it's not too big or too small. See, now I've got that picture. Let's see. That's the vast majority of it. If you've got a video that you want to put in there and it's up on YouTube, you go to share on YouTube and then you click on embed, and then you can go here and you put the embed code in here, and it'll say something like frame. I don't remember the exact code. Here, let's just go to YouTube. Let's just do Dirk Nowitzki and Nowitzki. Let's do videos. Let's go to we want a YouTube. Okay. Now what we want to do is we go share. Okay, I'm going to watch this first. That was awesome. Okay, so share, and then you click embed, and I go here. This is so easy. And then I just paste it right here. And I'll go back to visual, and it's right there. And I can go over here. And it might not look exactly the same to you, but the gist of it should be roughly the same. Okay, so preview, we can see, and I can actually click on this and see how it took me to ESPN.com. Apparently Stanford did something good. Okay, so, and then you can see the videos right here. It's embedded. See, works just as well. So that's real easy. What you can also do is you can schedule it to publish at a different time if you want to, or you can even backdate it. And we can also just, let's say I don't want to publish this, I can just save it as draft. Alright. And that's the gist of it. You know, you might want to make a title. If you don't have Catalyst installed, there's probably something in whatever theme you have that deals with the title, the description, and the keywords. But you know, it's pretty much, you know, just like using Word. If you want to use bullet points, you know, be in the visual tab and not in the text tab. The text tab is more of coding. Okay, and with regards to media, I usually don't upload media directly to here. Usually I create the post that I want to upload the media to, and then I upload the media on that post. Okay, so you can see I've got 45,000 comments. I just ignore them. I wish I could just, maybe I can delete them all. You're probably going to get, let's see, I wonder if there's some way to select all. No, I don't think I can select all and trash them all. You're probably going to get spam. Contact forms are really good. This is actually a plugin. If I go to the plugins and I do add form, you know, I've actually got a plugin called Contact Form 7, and that's a really good plugin that makes it real easy to make contact forms. Real easy. And then you put like a little snippet of code on one of your pages. Let's see, we go to my contact page. Since I'm logged in, there's another thing. Since I'm logged in, now this might show up in different places. You look for like an edit page, and you can see that all this is a single contact form. And so if I go to contact, and I click here, so there's the short code, essentially the code you put on there, and then I get a message basically based upon, excuse me, what based upon what they put into the form. Appearance and widgets. Widgets is something that's important. This affects, let's go back to here, any sidebars you had. So this is a widget right here. So if you can see here, sidebar 1, it's actually got video embedded, some social media, and then some text. And you probably only have one sidebar. I have some additional ones because I have different formats. It's a little bit more advanced that you probably won't need. And also, if you just want to play around with the themes, you can go here and you can install themes, and there's tons of free themes. If I've created a theme for you, I'll recommend you keep it. Probably the last major thing that you'll do is menus. And let's see, wait, we want where's top menu? Most of the time, what you'll have is probably just one menu in the top menu, and you can add pages to the menu. So I click here and do add to menu, and then I can change the text from what it says, and you can see this is my main menu, and this is real easy to add to. But yeah, that's the gist of it. The most of this, you probably won't even need or ever use, but that's the basics of WordPress. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.